Article writing, can it help grow my forum? Question, I've got a forum and it's a ghost town. How can I get people to my forum? Nobody loves me. Dear Nobody Loves Me, building a forum into a happenin' place is a lot of work. Don't be discouraged if your efforts aren't paying off yet. It does take time. That being said, there are ways to boost your forum and keep boosting it without having to spend a lot of money. Let me share one of my favorite ways to get traffic: writing articles. You may not be familiar with article sharing. Basically, you write and share your articles with other websites and newsletters that need content. They publish your article with your author resource box, including your website URL. This helps both of you. The website publisher needs interesting, informative content, and you need the exposure. But what does this have to do with building your forum? It can help you in two ways. 1. In your author bio, include a link directly to your forum so people that click through your link can sign up immediately and get chatting with the other members. 2. Or link to your website and have your forum prominently displayed on every page. The more incoming links you have pointing to your website content, the more important the search engines will think your site is, and you'll get more natural traffic from Google, MSN, and Yahoo. So, how do you take advantage of this method of generating traffic? You can start today. 1. Choose a topic. You can even use your own forum posts for inspiration. If you've recently answered questions in a post on your forum about any topic, turn it into an article. Of course, you may only use the materials you yourself have written, and any and all names should be changed. 2. Include your author resource box. Make sure to think about this part a lot. Many people just skim over it and, frankly, have useless resource boxes. What do you offer to the visitors? Do you have a free incentive for joining? Think this one through. Make it enticing. 3. Submit your articles. Find article directories where you can share your articles. 4. Then, don't sit and wait for traffic, repeat the process over and over and watch your forum grow. The results will be long-lasting as your articles will float around the web for years and years to come.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.